Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Shiftkey PRN Healthcare Jobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shiftkey is a PRN healthcare jobs platform that connects nurses, CNAs, caregivers, and other clinical professionals with open shifts at facilities across the U.S. Instead of traditional staffing agency processes, Shiftkey allows workers to browse available shifts, bid on the ones they want, and build a flexible schedule on their own terms. It's available for both iOS and Android and is widely used in long-term care centers, rehab facilities, and assisted living communities. The app's main feature is its shift marketplace. You can view nearby openings, see pay rates, submit bids, and get confirmed directly in the app. Shiftkey also offers daily pay through partners, digital credential management, and in-app communication with facilities. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the flexibility it provides, the ability to choose high-paying PRN shifts, and the freedom from strict schedules. Workers like that they can build their own workload, avoid mandatory hours, and get paid quickly after completing shifts. For many healthcare professionals, it's a convenient way to earn extra income or work full-time on a self-managed schedule. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability can vary depending on your location, and popular shifts may get filled quickly. Some users mention inconsistent communication from certain facilities and occasional issues with bid acceptance. Pay rates fluctuate, and because it's PRN work, there's no guarantee of steady hours every week. Internet access and updated credentials are required to stay active in the system. In summary, the Shiftkey app may be worth using if you want flexible PRN shifts, the ability to choose your own schedule, and access to high-paying opportunities across multiple facilities. However, if you prefer consistent hours, guaranteed weekly income, or traditional employment benefits, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.